that this 2q charge will be creating electric field like this, and q charge will be creating like this. So suppose this one is E, so this will become 2E. I can resolve these two vectors into components. One I want to take like this and another one perpendicular to this. So let us, this one is E1 and that component will not matter to me. Similarly, here electric field will become like this, and here also the same E1 component will matter to me. If I am moving from this point to this point and then this point to this point, what is happening? Here continuously electric field is against my displacement. So even though electric field is continuously changing at every point, suppose on an average I get something like some value of potential, I get suppose V, and it will be minus. And when I move this side, I am moving in the direction of electric field. So whatever potential I will get as positive same quantity because of the symmetry. So this answer will become 0. So there are many ways to see this. One of the ways is this. Ab you can't go into the detailed calculation, otherwise you will miss the time. You don't need that. So you have to be sometimes very, very attentive, just seeing that everything is balancing out and cancelling. Okay?